Hello, my beauties. Welcome to Beauties of B. So, as we know, the summers are around. It is very hot everywhere. Even here, it's really hot. Can't say anything about it. So, as we know, summers are here, and because of this heat, we have a lot of skin issues and everything. So, today I'm going to talk about a product which is very important not only for summers, for throughout the year. The magical product is called sunscreen. So, as I was saying, it is a magical product. Why it is so? Because whatever the season may be, summer, winter, rainy season, whatever, please make sure what I'm saying, whatever the season may be, sunscreen is very important. Even during the winters, when you see there is a cloud and all this sort of thing, the weather is very nice and you feel there is no sun, but actually the harmful UV rays of sun do come and it spoils our skin very badly, and due to harsh rays of the sun our skin start aging very fast. We have those sunspot, pigmentation, and even wrinkles. So the sun rays are really harmful for our skin. And even if you're at home, do not forget to use sunscreen. Please, my beauties, the most important product for you in your vanity is sunscreen. Trust me on that. Makeup, any product you use, nothing will come out well if your skin doesn't look good. Your skin has to look good from within to flaunt any kind of makeup look that you are wearing. So it's very important that your skin is good and it's very healthy, and as such, so sunscreen is very important. And today I'm going to review some, not review, actually this is not a review, these are my opinion, the sunscreen which I use on daily basis and which you can also use, and I'll tell you what are the pros and cons of all this. So the very first product that I have is this sunscreen lotion from Revela. This is from Cipla. This is a medicated sunscreen. As we all know, you will get it in any medical store, but this is a very nice sunscreen. It has SP 50 triple plus, and it also has vitamin E in it. So this is very good. Why? Because if you have dry skin, if you have those dry combination skin type where during summer your skin gets flaky, patchy, and although this sunscreen is the best, trust me guys, this is the best. I have used it for a long point of time and I've stopped using this for a particular reason, that it does make my T-zone little more oily, because I have a combination skin and a very oily T-zone, so it doesn't suit me that well during on my T-zone area. Otherwise this is really good for people who have dry skin. And this product retails for about 385 rupees, and you will get it in any kind of medical store, so you can go and get this product. Very nice product, and no harmful effect of this because this is a medicated product. Next sunscreen I have is from Lotus Herbals. This is their UV Screen Matte Gel SPF 50 PA triple plus, and it has UVA and UVB. It protects us from all those effects, and this is for normal to oily skin. First of all, coming this particular product, as because it is a gel based product, so it is very good for summers. Gel based product do not make you sweat a lot, and even if you sweat, it doesn't take off your sunscreen. What happens sometimes when you put sunscreen and you go out and you sweat, so what happens is your sunscreen goes away with the sweat. So this will not happen with this sunscreen. This is really good. I use it often. I use this sunscreen, although this is not on my daily base sunscreen, but I do use it on days when I know I'll be out for the whole day. It is very hot outside and I'll be out for almost 6-7 hours outside. This product is of great use, and this product retails for about 255 rupees. This is not a big size product, this is the medium size, and I did not get the large size product, so I got this one. This is really nice, and as I was saying, it also controls your oil and it gives a matte look. Because it is gel, it controls all your oil and it give this matte finish to you. So this is another sunscreen which is very good, and this sunscreen will suit any kind of skin type, be it oily skin people actually can use this, because gel based products are best for oily skin people. So oily skin, please get this is a very nice sunscreen, best for you. You can, even a combination skin type which I have, even dry skin people can use this sunscreen. This is really good. Okay, the third sunscreen I have is this Inveda sunscreen from Invader sunscreen, and this is a paraben free sunscreen. This I got in my last fab bag, May fab bag. I have already spoken about this product in my fab bag review, and I did use it 1 or 2 times, and it is really nice. As again, this is a gel based product. It is really good. It doesn't glide off, and it gives that face matte effect as well. The only difference between this and this Lotus product which I found was that because this is not a complete herbal paraben free product, this is a paraben free product, so it is really good for your skin. So when you eat healthy, you should also ensure what you're using on your face is less of chemicals, so that your skin don't get damage or have any harsh effect. So this sunscreen is for all those beauties out there who are very conscious about their skin. You know, some of us are there who are very into organic food and everything. This is really good, trust me, it's very good. So this product is a real thumbs up from my side for those beauties, and even I like it a lot. Very good product, and this cost retails for about 350 rupees, and this is a full size product which I got in my May fab bag. Okay, coming to the last product that I have, this is the best, my favorite, and trust me when I say this, I have been using this for over 5 years now. This is Lotus Herbal Safe Sun 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sunscreen, and what it does is sun protection, skin lightening and mattifying. It has PA triple plus, UVA and UVB. The only difference between these two again is this is gel based and this is cream based, and the best part about this sunscreen is it is tinted. I'll show you what I mean by that. See this? This is a tinted product. So it is really mattifying, doesn't leave any that sticky residue which some sunscreen does, and it is little tinted. So what it does is when you apply sunscreen, your little small blemishes and small spots you have here and there on your face get covered. It is a sheer cover sunscreen, and it is very good. This retails for about 355 rupees, and I really can give you honest review that I've been using for the longest duration. Of course, I have used the other sunscreen which I have also spoken, but this is my most favorite. It suits my skin type the best because I have combination skin. This doesn't make my T-zone oily and doesn't even dry out my face, gives a sheer coverage. It works best for me. So I would say this is a yay thumbs up. And what else? This is the best. This is my love. I can never step out of my house without this product, and I always carry it in my bag. One more thing, always carry your sunscreen along with you when you go out, because when we put on our sunscreen after 3 hours, the effect of sunscreen goes away. So make sure if you're outside for a longer duration of time, you keep on applying your sunscreen every 3 hours, and always apply your sunscreen 10 to 15 minutes before you step out of your house, so the effect starts. Don't just apply your sunscreen and move out. That is the wrong step, my beauties, that you do. Always apply your sunscreen 10 to 15 minutes prior you go out, and carry it along with you if you're outside, so that the effect stays longer. And make sure that you buy a waterproof sunscreen. This is another product, it does have a waterproof effect. It helps me in that. Make sure you buy a waterproof sunscreen, so that when you sweat and all, your skin doesn't get cakey and all that kind of stuff. So I hope this video was very useful for you, and now you can go to the market and get your favorite sunscreen, take reviews from here and buy your favorite sunscreen. But make sure that you always carry your sunscreen along with you, my beauties. I'm telling you, it is very important, else your skin is gonna age very fast, get wrinkles, get sun patches, sun pigmentation and all those bad stuff which we really don't want to have on our face. So I hope you have liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and click on the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button, and leave your comment about the product or whatever thing you want me to review next. I would love to do that for you, and I really hope this video was useful for you, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, love you.